Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by bringing assets into Premiere Pro so you can work fast and clean. Import your logo as a vector or PNG, then create a 1920 by 1080 sequence at 30 FPS and drop the logo on V2. Once done, scale and position using the effect controls motion parameters. This preserves quality versus repeated transforms. Make sure playback is set to high res while editing, but lower it if performance stutters. This balances speed with accuracy. Now you animate. Set keyframes on position, scale, and rotation in effect controls to define the start and end of motion. Move the timeline playhead, adjust values, then use ease in and ease out to soften starts and stops. This feels more natural than linear motion. For complex reveals, duplicate the layer, add a mask or use a track matte key clip above, and animate the matte. Make sure timing matches audio or scene cuts so motion complements the edit. Finish by refining. Add a transform effect to apply motion blur and check that anchor points are correctly centered so rotation looks right. Once satisfied, queue to Adobe Media Encoder and export as H.264 with VBR2 pass for sharpness and reasonable file size. If you see jitter or stutter, make sure sequence frame rate matches export and enable frame interpolation or optical flow on clips. This fixes mismatched motion.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.